Greetings family, we're outside again, and in today's video we are going to be trying to help you if you are struggling with doing the figure of 8. If you're new to the channel, don't forget family, like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's get it. Right, so we're going to get straight into this, guys. So the aim of the figure of 8, guys, is to get your bike around these cones in a 8 figure. Right, so around this cone and then around this cone until we complete the number 8. Right, so when we're doing this, guys, there's certain techniques that we have to employ and there's certain things that we need to be thinking about, and this will make sense to you in a minute. All right, so the first thing I want to speak to you about is the control of the bike. Okay, so when we're dealing with the control of the bike, guys, we need to make sure that we're using that slow control, that rear brake, throttle and clutch. I'll link a video at the top of the screen where we deal with that slow control. You have to be able to use that slow control. It's going to make this exercise so easy. So master that slow control and then we get done with this figure of 8. Okay, so when we're doing this, speed wise, we want to be going just past walking speed, guys. Just past walking speed. Tip number 1, guys, when we're doing the figure of 8, the idea is to keep away from the cones. What do I mean by that? So if we was going to turn around here to do this figure of 8, if we were to turn right here, it's too close, guys. It's way too close. You're going to give yourself less space to turn. So the idea is, guys, is to use as much space as you need to make the turn. I hope that makes sense to you. So instead of doing it so tight like that, use all the space you need. Use all the space you need. Now, usually when you're doing this, guys, you're normally on a bike that's got a decent steering, what do you call it now? Decent turning circle, if that's the correct word. But I'm going to be doing it on my ZX9R. So that's to show you that you can do it on any bike. Well, I haven't done it yet on this, to be fair, so we're going to see how this works. Okay, so keep away from the cones, make it nice and big. All right. Next thing you got to think about, guys, is keeping up nice and straight and turning your head when you need to turn the handlebars. So I need to turn, so I'm going to turn my head in the direction I'm going. So I'm going to use that red sign over there. I don't know if you can see it as a marker when I'm coming around here. And then once I start going down here, then I'm going to use that same red marker again to turn my head and have a look. Make sense? Okay, so when we're doing this exercise, guys, if we're going a little bit too fast, the chances are you're going to give yourself less space and time to turn. If you're going a little bit too slow, then the chances are you're going to lose your balance. Okay, so always remember, guys, use that slow control and turn your head in the direction you want the bike to go and use all the space you need. Very simple. So what we're going to do now is we're going to see if we can do this, demonstrate this point of view style on the ZX9R. Let's do it. Okay, now we're cooking. Right. Okay, so remember, guys, we're going to use that slow control. Again, check out that slow control video and let's see if we can do it on this bike. So we've got the revs up, we're going just past walking pace, using all the space we need to turn, turning our head right the way around, nice and smooth. Use all the space, turn your head, using that rear brake. And yes, we can do a figure of 8 on the sports bike, as long as it's not too close, that is. And there you have it, guys. Figure of 8 made absolutely easy. Okay, right, so there you go, guys. That is our figure of 8. I hope you enjoyed the video. Are you struggling with figure of 8? What else are you struggling with your Mod 1, Mod 2, or even your CBT? Drop a comment down below. If I can help you, I'll do a video on it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.